Welcome to Samurai Japanese. Today, I'll talk about Japanese particle. Of course, I don't teach it deeply today, just for beginners. You know, in Japanese, there are some words that are not translated into English. Okay, let's see examples. Okay, let's see first one. When we say, I play tennis. In Japanese, 私はテニスをする。In this case, 私 is I, tennis is of course tennis, and する is play. Okay? However, this は and を can't be translated into English words. Okay, next one. When we say samurai is in Tokyo now, in Japanese it's 侍は今東京にいる。In this case, samurai is samurai, and 今 is now, and Tokyo is Tokyo. に is in, いる is, and even in this case, this は can't be translated into English. And these は and were are Japanese particles. However, there is a big problem now. Now you might think that, okay, particle is a word that can't be translated into English, right? The problem is that even this ni is particle. So particle words cannot be translated into English often. However, it can be sometimes. And one more, even when a particle cannot be translated into English, of course it has a role or meaning in Japanese grammar. But today I don't talk about the particles meaning or role today. But there is one general rule about particle. About how to use particle. In general, particle words come after noun words. And 私、テニス、samurai, and Tokyo. They are noun words. So basically, in Japanese, a noun is used with a particle, right? Okay, let's go to today's summary. Of course, there are only 2 points. The first one is, in Japanese grammar, there is a particle, and it cannot be translated into English. However, sometimes it can be. And second one is that a particle word comes after a noun word. Of course, in future class, I'm going to teach in more detail. Okay, that's all for today. それでは、さようなら。